Rowan, the plane is on the ground. London looks big and green.
Yes. Welcome to London, Sky. Let us follow the signs to arrivals.
I have our hotel address on my phone. Battery is at 80%.
Good. We can take the tube from Heathrow, Piccadilly line to Green Park, then Jubilee line to Westminster.
I want to see Big Ben first. It is your dream too, right?
It is my dream. We will leave our bags at the hotel locker and go.
I feel a little tired but happy.
Same. I will buy 2 bottles of water.
I will check the weather. It says light rain in the afternoon
Then we need an umbrella.
and hot tea later.
First, passports ready, customs and baggage claim.
I see our suitcase. I will pull it.
I will push the cart.
London, we are here.
London, please be kind to us today.
The ticket machines are blue and shiny. Do we buy an Oyster card?
We can tap with our bank cards. It is easy.
I will tap mine at the gate. Beep. It works.
Beep for me too. Let us follow the Piccadilly line signs.
The map is clear. We ride 10 stops to Green Park, then change to the Jubilee line.
I like the Roundel logo. It looks classic.
The train arrives, doors open, mind the gap.
Seats are free near the door. We can sit for a bit.
People read books and look out the window. The city comes slowly.
At Green Park, we change lines. This way to Jubilee.
The platform lights are silver and calm.
Here we go. One more stop to Westminster.
My heart is fast. Big Ben is close.
When we go up the stairs, please look left at the river.
I will.
This is our first London moment together.
I will remember it. Rowan, look up. Big Ben is bright and golden.
It looks like a storybook tower. I cannot stop smiling.
The bells sound deep and kind.
Let us take a photo on Westminster Bridge.
Okay, I will hold the phone. 1, 2, 3. Click.
The London Eye is across the river.
We can ride at sunset.
Good idea. For lunch, Borough Market is not far by tube.
I want warm pie or fish and chips.
And tea with milk.
The wind is cool on the bridge.
We should leave our big suitcase at the hotel locker first.
Right. The hotel is 3 stops away near Embankment.
Then we go to the market.
London smells like rain and bread today.
It smells like a new page in our book.
I am ready for the next page. Borough Market is busy and bright. I hear many accents.
This stall has warm pies. That stall has fish and chips.
I choose a small steak pie and peas.
I will get fish and chips with lemon. We can share both.
The cook smiles and says enjoy.
We sit by the brick arch. The roof looks old and strong.
The first drop of rain is here.
I have a compact umbrella. I will open it.
Thank you. The rain sounds soft on the roof.
Your pie smells amazing.
Your chips are perfect with salt.
After lunch, we can walk to London Bridge for a view.
My phone is at 50%. I will turn on low power.
Good plan.
I feel warm now. London feels friendly.
Me too. Ready to explore more?
Yes. Let us follow the river. Rowan, my card just failed at the gate.
Try again.
It still says seek assistance.
Do not worry. Tap with my spare card. We will fix the charge later.
Beep. It works. Thank you.
We ride to Covent Garden for a short walk.
The train is full. If we get separated, we meet at the Apple Market arch.
Agreed.
Doors close. I stand by the pole.
I can see you. 2 stops only.
Now the doors open. Many people move.
I cannot get out. The crowd is tight.
I got off. You are still inside.
I will get off at the next station and come back.
I will wait under the Apple Market sign.
2 minutes later, I am back.
I see you.
Sorry for the small scare.
It was small, and we had a plan.
Plans save trips.
And smiles. The sky is pink and blue now. Shall we ride the London Eye?
Yes. Tickets say our slot is at 7.
Our capsule moves slow and smooth.
The city looks like stars and rivers.
I can see St. Paul's and the Shard.
Take a photo of this view and your happy face.
Click. I will save it as London Day 1.
After the ride, we can walk by the Thames and share a warm brownie.
And tomorrow we can visit the museum and the park.
Today, we already have many firsts. Tube, Big Ben, Market, rain, and lights.
I feel proud of us.
I feel grateful.
London is big, but we moved with small, clear steps.
That is our way.
Good night, London.
See you again in the morning.